Good evening to one and all students, and I am present with one more video. So most welcome into my channel. This is Devoted Classes, and today the word power part 14 we are going through. So don't go anywhere. Be with me from the beginning to the end. As you know, word plays definitely the most important role everywhere, whether you write or speak or do anything in this world. Word helps you. It's the heart of the language. So without heart you cannot survive. So without word no language is possible. So just watch this video from the beginning to the end. Start the video. As usual, I have taken here 10 words. In column A we have 10 words, and in column B we have 10 more words. Meaning you can say the synonym of these words we have in the column B. In other words, in the column A we have the meaning word, in column B we have the meanings of those words. But the meanings in column B are not written systematically, or you can say they are jumbled. And what you have to do? You have to match. Fine? You have to match the columns. Now, let me just firstly pronounce these words. You can pronounce with me. So, first word is a lot. Speak a lot. Second word is fly. Fly. Next word is peculiar. Peculiar. Next word is focal. Focal. Next word is we have bend. Bend. Next word is we have now go. Now go. Now go. So now go. Next word is drawback. Drawback. Next word is brittle. Brittle. Next word is we have endurance. Endurance. Next word is we have polyglot. Polyglot. So these 10 words are in the left hand side. Now in the right hand side we have sad, lot. Next one is absurd. C, a sign. D, verb. E, easily broken. Next, central. Next, wise or demerit. Next is tolerance. Next word is knowing many languages. Next we have impossible. Impossible. Clear? Now, let me tell you the meaning. So, meaning of the first word is allot. A-W-T. Allot means सुपुर्द करना, बांटना, आवंटित करना, किसी को दे देना. भाई तुम्हारा एक काम है, that is allot. देना, डिवीजन करना, आवंटित करना, किसी को कहना कि भाई ये तुम्हारा काम है. फाइन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज फ्लाइट. फ्लाइट मीन्स होता है फ्लाइट मतलब बहुत ही दयनीय स्थिति को फ्लाइट कहेंगे. पिक्यूलियर मीन्स होता है बहुत ही अलग ढंग का. पिक्यूलियर मीन्स अलग ढंग का, बिल्कुल एब्सर्ड कह सकते हैं. पिक्यूलियर माने विशेष भी होता है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव बेंड. बेंड सॉरी फोकल. फोकल मीन्स सेंट्रल. फोकल पॉइंट मीन्स सेंट्रल पॉइंट, और इन अदर वर्ड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव बेंड. बेंड मीन्स हमको पता होगा. बेंड मीन्स वो झुकना. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज वी हैव नो गो. देखिए ये फ्रेज है. दिस फ्रेज नो गो मीन्स होता है क्या बताइए? नो गो मीन्स होता है असंभव. देखिए ये बिल्कुल हट करके वर्ड आपको है. नो गो मीन्स असंभव. फाइन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ड्रॉबैक. ड्रॉबैक ये भी एक फ्रेजल वर्ब की तरह यूज हुआ है, फ्रेज की तरह यूज हुआ है. ड्रॉबैक मीन्स होता है क्या? डीमेरिट, कमी, माइनस पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज वी हैव ब्रिटल. बिटर. ब्रिटल. बिटर मीन्स होता है, बिटर मीन्स होता है जो जल्दी नष्ट हो जाए. नश्वर, क्षणभंगुर, जल्दी नष्ट होने वाला, इजीली ब्रोकन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज एंड्योरेंस मीन्स होता है सहनशीलता. सहनशीलता. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पॉलीग्लॉट मीन्स होता है जो कई भाषाएं जानता हो. ऐसा विद्वान जो कई भाषाएं जानता हो, जैसे बाबा साहब भीमराव अम्बेडकर, स्वामी विवेकानंद, ये हमारे क्या कहते हैं, इस राधा कृष्णन, फाइन, हमारे APJ कलाम साहब, दुनिया भर के कई रहे हैं, विशेषकर एक्टर वगैरह कई भाषाएं जानते हैं, ये भी उसी को कहते हैं पॉलीग्लॉट। नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्या वर्ड्स हो गए, अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, डेफिनेटली यू नो दीज मीनिंग्स। और हम देख लेते हैं एक बार प्रोनाउंसिएशन, अलॉट, ये LLOT, अलॉट। नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज प्लाइट, PLIGST। नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज peculiar, PECULIAR, स्पेलिंग फोकल, FOCAL, फोकल। नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज बेंड, BEND, बेंड। नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज नोबो, वेरी सिंपल। इसके बाद ड्राबैक, BSC, ड्राबैक। इसके बाद आपका ब्रिटल, BRITTLE। इसके बाद आपका है इंड्योरेंस, ENDURANCE, इंड्योरेंस। इसके बाद आपका है पॉलीग्लॉट, POLYGLOT। इस तरह से आपके मैंने स्पेलिंग सारे वर्ड की यहाँ पर लिखी हुई है और बताई हुई है। आपका काम आसान हो गया। अब छोटा सा टास्क आपका है, इट इज योर टास्क टू मैच दीज वर्ड्स। इट्स योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ। 2 minutes you can take, so you do, कर लीजिए फटाफट। ठीक है, कर लिए होंगे। चलिए अपना भाग्य देखिए कितना आपका स्कोर रहा, ध्यान दीजिएगा। 10 में से जिस भाई बहन का स्कोर 10 होगा या 9 होगा तो उसको कहेंगे हम आउटस्टैंडिंग, एक्सलेंट भी कह सकते हैं। और 7-8 है तो वेरी गुड होगा। उसके बाद इसके नीचे है 6-7 तो गुड होगा। उसके नीचे है 4-5 तो फेयर होगा। उसके नीचे जो है यानी 3-2-1 तो समझो कि वो पुअर है, वीक कहलाएंगे। आप मैच करते हैं। चलिए, टाइम फॉर द मैचिंग। वी हैव अलॉट, ये मैच होगा आपका असाइन, ये सी से मैच होगा, यही मैच कर देते हैं, ये सी से मैच होगा। फ्लाइट कैट लॉट ए से मैच होगा। और आपका पिक्यूलियर का एब्सर्ड बी से मैच होगा। इसके बाद आपका फोकल, ये मैच होगा आपका सेंट्रल एफ से मैच होगा। इसके बाद आपका बेंड का बो डी से मैच होगा। और अगला वर्ड है नो गो, इम्पॉसिबल, यानी जे से मैच होगा, जे। और इसके बाद आपका ड्रॉबैक वाइस या डिमेरिट यानी कि जी से मैच होगा, जी हो गया। और रिटर्न इजीली ब्रोकन यानी आपका ई से मैच होगा। और इसके बाद आपका इंडोरेंस, टॉलरेंस, ये मैच होगा आपका टॉलरेंस, ये एच से मैच होगा। और इसके बाद पॉलीग्लॉट जो कि मैच होगा नोइंग मेनी लैंग्वेजेस यानी आई से मैच होगा। इस तरह से मैंने आपको इमेजिन कर दिया। देखिए अपना स्कोर कहाँ पर है, किस स्तर में है, कहाँ तक आपका अचीवमेंट रहा है। ठीक, इस तरह से मैंने मैच कर दिया। अब आपका काम है इसको अपने सेंटेंस में यूज करना। आपको पता होना चाहिए प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट। सो प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस, देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट वे। आई हैव सीन मेनी गुड स्टूडेंट्स adopt shortcut way. They just adopt ill or unfair means, or they cheat, or they just give bribe to others, meaning something illegal step they take that is not good for them. You don't do these type of things. Maybe it will take more time, but your success is 100% sure and certain if you are slow and steady. You know, slow and steady builds the race. So, you know, slow and steady in the race. So, practice slowly, surely. Success is also yours. Success is in your hand. Nothing you have gotten by birth. From the birth, since the birth, nobody is born. Something learning by birth. Everybody learns here. You know, once I have the topic, that is practice makes a man perfect. Our students did best. So, you can also do. So, practice more and more. Let me tell you the uses of these words in the sentence a lot. So, I would like to request Honorable Manager to allot me some more classes to cover the annual exam syllabus. Now next, plight. There is the plight of women in our country is very bad. The plight of women is indescribable. It is very bad. Next we have peculiar. Every king has some peculiar habit, and some kings have something totally, absolutely peculiar habit. You know, there was a king. The king had the peculiar habit. It was that he used to give gifts in place of taking gifts on his birthday. Next we have focal. This is the focal point. This is the focal time that you just studied. Otherwise, you can fail. You will be failed in the exam. It's the focal time. It's the focal point. It's the focal situation where you can develop yourself, or you can mar yourself, or you can make yourself. This is the focal time. You don't miss the time. The time and tide waits for no one. So for the time, right place, right way. If you do something, success is yours. Clear? Focal point. Something focal point, focal role can say, focal situation you can say, focal time you can say, focal moment you can say, focal situation you can say. Next we have the bend, E&D. We must bend ourselves to our elders, to our teachers, and to our honorable parents. Bend. And we also must bend, take a bend to take the bath in the river. Okay? We bend. Next we have the no-go. Nothing is now go. It's impossible. Nothing is now go in this world. So practice. Practice makes man perfect. Next one, drawback. Everybody has a drawback. Just as you know, Hamlet. The drama Hamlet is very just famous, very popular. This is written by William Shakespeare. The Prince Hamlet has a drawback. It was the habit of delaying, procrastination. He got many more chances to kill his uncle Claudius, but he did not kill. He kept on just postponing it, and ultimately the test due to place, he died. So that is drawback. Meaning the delaying habit. Delaying habit is a drawback. Next we have brittle. Our life is brittle. Glass is brittle. This chalk is brittle. Brittle means something broken easily. That can be broken easily. This chalk can be broken easily. Our life is also, you know, brittle. Today we are here, tomorrow we may die. Nobody knows. Fine. Our life is perishable. Every day we are in the grip of the death. Okay? Every day we are dying. So we are brittle. Next we have endurance. Endurance means simply tolerance. If you do some job, like climbing the mountain like the Everest or any other mountain or any other tough task you need the endurance. Without endurance means something sahansilta, you can do nothing. Without endurance, you can do nothing. Next we have Polyglot, very simple. A person who knows many languages. Vivekananda was a polyglot. He knew, I think, 4 to 5 languages. Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar was polyglot because he knew 9 languages. At least he knew 9 languages. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was a polyglot. We have APJ Kalam. He was also a polyglot. Some teachers are also polyglot. I am not a polyglot. Simply I know only English and Hindi and a little bit portion of Sanskrit I also know, but I am not a polyglot. Simply I know only Hindi and English. Next we have just done. So that is enough for today. Definitely the students who are watching me, especially the students of the RAV Public School or St. Xavier, we have in the assembly there is activity, and the activity we have the words session, meaning some student comes and he speaks out the word, and these words can help you. You can sing these words, you can use these words, you can prepare these words to present in the morning assembly or any other place. Suppose you are going to write some essay, you are going to write notice, you are going to write just a letter, you are going to write debate, you are going to write speech, you are going to write diary, anything you are going to write, these words can be used, and you are going to answer the questions, and in the answering of the questions these words play crucial role. Without words you cannot write even a single sentence. A answer of the questions you can never write if you don't have command over the words. So prepare these words, prepare these words, prepare these words. It means you just learn these words, the spelling of these words, the meaning of these words, and practice. The best thing is practice. Practice and practice. So definitely I hope you like my videos. So like, share, comment. Okay? Firstly you subscribe, then like, then share, and then comment. I will wait for your comments. But my dear students, my dear brothers and sisters, only I would like to just see your nice comments, your respectable comments, not something obscene comments, something that what you say pricks me. You don't give such type of comments. Only motivational comments, only something some good comments will be accepted. So until and unless I make upload other video, some other video, you just keep on smiling, laughing and practicing more and more. Thank you very much. Now it's time to say bye bye. See you. Take care.